Good morning, childrens. Welcome back to the online sessions. I believe you all had a great time in your vacation. Let us start the class. Students, if you all remember, in previous class we have studied lesson number 6, that is using MS Word 2016. And today I will be solving the exercise given at the end of the lesson. So let us start with the exercise. The name of the exercise is Brain Developer. Please open page number 55 from your computer textbook. Let us start with the fill in the blanks. A. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the help of hints given below. Here they have given some hints. Using these hints, you all have to fill the correct answer. Yes, children. Now, I will be reading the first one. Microsoft Word is a dash software. Here, they have given the hints like title, status, horizontal, word processing and document. Yes, children. It is already explained to you that Microsoft Word is a typing application. It is an application which works on the text work. Means which will help you to type, which will help you to work on the text. So, it's called word processing application. So, this is the correct answer. The same answer you all have to write here. That is word processing. Processing software. Now let us go to the next. That is, the Word application opens a blank document with a temporary name. Whenever you open any document in Word, by default it will open with a temporary name. What will be the name of that document name? That file name. You all have to identify with the help of this given hints. Title, status, horizontal or document 1. The right answer is document 1. So here I will underline and I will write the 2 over there. Now the same answer should be written here. That is document 1. Whenever you open a document, whenever you open an application and there comes a blank document, that blank document will be by default named as document 1. Now let us go to the next. The dash bar displays the name of the document followed by the program name. Yes, there is a one specific bar which will help you to know the name of the document. That is title bar. So this is the right answer. You all can fill the same answer over here. Title bar. T-I-T-L-E, not double T. Now let us go to the B, that is write true or false. You all have to write true or false. This 4 and 5 you all can do it on your own in house. Let me read the first true or false. The shortcut key to close the Word application is Control F4. Yes, children. If you don't know, then you can press with the help of your keyboard. Open MS Word in your computer. Just press Control F4 and check whether it works, whether the application will get closed. So it is a false. If you want to close the application shortcutly, you all have to use Alt. You all have to use Alt F4. The shortcut key is Alt F4. Here they have given Control F4. So it's a false. Now let us read the next one. The title bar contains the button for saving document. Now there is a one bar at the top of the MS Word window. That bar, title bar, contains the button for saving a document. Is it, children? In title bar there is a button for saving document. Yes, you all have to check it with the help of MS Word screen. The interface will come in front of you. Go through that interface and when you will check, you will come to know whether that save button is there in the title bar or no. So it's a false. You should close a document without saving it. Is it, children? No, it's a false. Like this way you all can solve this remaining examples. Now I will be reading the match the following. Here they have given A and B, and at A they have given the operations and they have given the shortcut keys in the B section. Creates a new file. If you want to create a new file in MS Word, which shortcut key you all have to use? The shortcut key is Control N. You can try practically with the help of computer. If you want to print the document, the shortcut key is Control P. If you want to close the document, Alt F4. And closes the Word application, that is Control. If you want to close the document, then Control W you can use. And if you want to close the Word application, you can use this. So like this way, you all can solve the problems. Now let us move to the next page, that is 56. Section B. Tick the right answer. You all have to tick the right answer. They have given the MCQs, that is multiple choice question. Select the correct and just tick out it and write the same ticked answer here. The dash area is used for typing and editing the text. In MS Word, where do you type? Whether it is a working, desktop or document. The right answer is working area, that is called workspace. So here you can write the right answer. Now next one, dash option is used to create a new blank document. If you want to take a new page or new blank document, you have to use new option. So you all can write the answer here. How many scroll bars are there in a Word 2016? You might take any window. The scroll bars can be two. One which will move horizontally and one which will move vertically. So any window will be having two scroll bars. In the same way, the Word is having two scroll bars. You can solve the example 4 in your home by your own. Now I will be going to the question answers. Answer in one word. In what way is MS Word similar to Notepad? Yes, children. What do we do in notebook? You can write your notes. In the same way, we can type a text in MS Word. In notebook, you can write a text. Here we can type a text. So the similarity is typing the text. We use both for typing and writing text. It is having a same work. Both will work on the text writing, text typing or text writing. How is Word 2016 is useful to us? Yes, children. How it is useful? Word 2016 is helpful to perform any text work, and formatting of the same text. I will read it once again. Word 2016 is helpful to perform any text work and formatting of a same text. Now let me go for the third one. Name the rulers present in the Word 2016 windows. Name the rulers present in the Word 2016 vertical and horizontal rulers. Vertical and horizontal. What does the title bar contains? Name of the file. Name of the file. Example 5. Question 5 you all can solve on your own in your houses. Thank you. Have a nice day.